So hi everyone, welcome back in another video. In this video I have some friends with me and we all are going to give our opinion on how we can have a good career or what we can choose as a career. So it is a burning point. There are so many students, when they do their 12th and after when they do their 10th, and then when the time comes to choose a stream, like which stream he or she wants to choose. As an example, if someone is interested in science, someone is interested in arts, someone interested in commerce. So but so many students take a wrong decision because of the pressure of the neighbors. Actually we also get the pressure, even everyone who passes through this time. We all have done our schools, and we all know how much we were pressurized when we were when we just came in 11th class. We were asked to take science, we were asked to take arts, and today we are going to just discuss like what we can do and what we should do when we clear 10th or when we clear 12th. Then what are the things we can do by just focusing on ourselves, not focusing on any other one. So now I'm just gonna give a mic to Virender, and I will try to know what he thinks about it.
So friends, what I think, as Ravinder said, that after 10th or 12th the students have to choose a right stream like science, commerce and arts, and then after their life starts of their educational life. So how to choose a right career after 12th class and 10th class? So just go and write on Google and write there what you want to become, what the field of your career after 12th class. Like if you are from science stream, then search there, then there will be a list of many possibilities and chances where you can try, and make a note, note them into in a book, and eliminate them after behalf on your interest and your past experience, and you will find that these are the 5-6 points that you are really interested in them, and try to make something extraordinary in that. So thank you, that's all.
Hello everyone, this is Abhay Singh. Actually today topic is that how to choose the good career. So my Ravinder said that lots of the students, they have a pressure of their parents, the environment, they just choose the he also example that if he are just their friends choosing the science, so any student just also choose the science, but he has not idea that what will do in the future with the science. But if you are just Virender said that we should be a plan, what will we do in our future with the science and any stream if we are just choosing the field. So firstly, just if you are just choosing the subject and your field, so take some time yourself and talk to yourself, and then find that what's your strength, what's your weaknesses, and what's your goals and whatever. So firstly just think about that, and if you are just think that I can do this, so that's why you just choose your field.
So I agree with Abhay. There are so many students who do their 10th class, and after that, because of the pressure of their family and the pressure which he gets from the neighbors, and even the friends also tell him or her that you should choose science stream, or they choose the science stream, but later when they just go in a college, so where they just change their subject, they just go towards arts. So instead of doing it, we should try to do what we want to do, and this is the right age. When we do the 10th class, we are capable of taking our decision on our own. So we should not focus on any other we should not focus on the advices of other people. We should do what we like to do. And here I want to give an example of a person. Actually, he is a great personality, you know, in today's world, and his name is Bhupendra Singh Rathod, who is a motivational speaker, and I got an opportunity to have a conversation with him. So when I met him, he said, actually, when I came to know about about his life, what he did when he was a student, he was excellent in computer, and his dream was to become was to join in the Indian Army, and he was excellent in computer. But when he was not able to do all these things, he had an interest, to motivate people. So he chose it as a professional career. So then he started motivating the people. In the beginning, he had to face a lot of difficulties. The beginning is always hard, but after the beginning, what we get is becomes so much easier. So now everyone knows him, and he earns so much money, and he motivates a lot of people. So what we can learn from him, that we should do like whatever we have to do, and we should focus on what the things we can do, and what are the things and what are the areas in which we can perform, in which we can use our 100% potential. Actually, everyone has the potential, but the problem is that how we can use it in a right way. So guys, I would just suggest you to just focus on whether you just prepare for a small job. Many people have the mindset to get a government job, but at the same time they keep filling the form for various jobs in the government sector. They whenever if the army rally bharti is going on, so many people, so many students and youngsters will start preparing for that. When everything is over, they will look for another alternative, and then they have that kind of mindset. So our goal should be one on which we can focus with 100, on which we can focus with the 100, and where we can give our 100%. So it is totally up to us, and we should focus on what we have to do.
Hello guys, this is Monica Rathod, and today our topic is how to choose your career. So I think firstly we should ask ourselves before choose our career, so that what we do and what we do in our life, and we should ask our parents and our friends. So it's good for us for choosing our career. That's all about my topic from my side.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya. So today we are discussing about this topic is how to choose your right career and good career. So according to me, firstly it's totally depend on us. तो ये खुद पे डिपेंड करता है कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. सुनो सबकी, करो खुद की.
So guys, we all have just put our points forward, and in the last I would like to say that when we choose the career according to our will, we are able to give our 100%, and we can make it our strength. So we can work upon our strength, and we can master in that particular field. But it is first, guys, it is don't listen to others, do what you like to do. And that's all from our side, and thanks for watching this video. And in the end, I would like to say, please let us know on which topic we can have a GD in a next video, and please just at least just comment in a comment box, and you all can give your opinion in the comment box. And please like, share and subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever the new video is uploaded.